Last weekend, I've burned through all of my limits on a $100 Codex plan a month. As you can see here, I have exactly 0% usage remaining. And then I ran into this tweet. Using /goal with DeepSeek V4 Flash and Codex feels like robbing a data center. And I just asked Codex, how do I do this? And then it created this long plan that I'm going to go through right now and see if we can figure it out. And we can easily check our version by running codex -- version. And we have 0.146.0, which is higher than the minimal requirement. Alright, so the next thing we need to do apparently is create an API key in the DeepSeek developer platform. What it says here is pretty obvious, that DeepSeek subscription is going to be separate from your ChatGPT subscription. So it looks like we could click to DeepSeek platform. So we go here and create an API key, and we're just going to say Flash or whatever it's called. I'm not going to show you this API key, but I'm pretty sure you'll need to set up billing before it would let us use it. We can just, spend $5. Or actually, it's so cheap. Let's start with $2 just in case. Once I'm done, I will show you what to do next. Cool, we finally got, on the third attempt, payment successful. We can go back. Here we have to update the model instructions. Then we have to update the config. And then we just get started. Let's see if this path exists. Okay, doesn't. So what we're gonna do is, we can do touch. Create that file. We can just type vim in our terminal and paste all of this. And then the next thing we're doing is editing the codex configuration file. So let's first see if it exists, and it does exist. Let's look what's in it. What we want to do probably is create a backup of this, and then backup. Now we can modify the config file. So first thing we replace is the model. DeepSeek V4 Flash. I'm just going to paste all of this now. Cool, so now this is what it should look like. And the last thing we do is insert your DeepSeek API key. Save it. And let's try this again. So looks like we got a bunch of warnings so far, but we could test what's the next item in this project. For me to do, it should have been recorded in one of the docs. Okay, it does find the docs directory with execution plans. Looks like it does work indeed. Well, this is how you configure DeepSeek V4 Flash with Codex. See ya.